In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your website from DigitalOcean over to WP Engine hosting. This process might seem daunting at first, but with clear steps and some patience, you'll have your site migrated smoothly. Let's dive in. First, head over to wpengine.com. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Sites section. Here, you'll see an option to add a new site. Click on that to create a new environment specifically for your website. This new environment will be where your website will live on WP Engine. Next, it's time to install the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. This tool is essential as it makes the migration process much easier by handling the bulk of the work for you. Now log into your WordPress dashboard on your current DigitalOcean site. Within your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, select Add New, and then search for the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. Once you find it, make sure to click on Install and then activate it. Having activated the plugin, the next step is to gather your WP Engine SFTP details. This step involves copying essential credentials, which include your SFTP host, username, and password, along with the destination folder, typically WP content. Hold on to these details as you'll need them shortly. With the necessary credentials in hand, we move on to initiate the migration. Return to the migration plugin on your WordPress admin. Here, enter your WP Engine site URL, something like your site.wpengine.com, and use those SFTP details you just copied. After filling in all the required fields, click Start Migration. While the migration is underway, patience is key. The plugin will automatically copy your files and database. This process can take a little time, depending on the size of your website. Don't worry. Once the migration is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. Upon receiving this confirmation, visit your temporary WP Engine domain. Check through your site thoroughly, ensuring all pages, links, and plugins work correctly. Once you confirm that everything is functioning as expected, proceed to your domain's DNS settings at your registrar. Here, you'll update the A record to reflect your WP Engine IP address, which you can find in the WP Engine dashboard under Domains. Now, let's secure your site. Navigate to the SSL section of your WP Engine dashboard, add certificates, and select Let's Encrypt for a free SSL certificate. After that, make sure to enable the HTTPS redirect. Once done, clear your site's cache in WP Engine to ensure all changes are applied correctly. Finally, visit your domain to confirm it now loads your migrated site from WP Engine. With that, you've successfully moved your site from DigitalOcean to WP Engine. Congratulations on your successful migration.